So as we prep this area, getting ready to convert it to a workshop, one of the things that we're going to have to deal with is this couch. So we are going to take the bed out of Steven's room, you know, 2 stories up, and we want to put this in there. That'll put a couch in that room, as well as give Steven a bigger bed when he comes home, because that is a sleeper sofa. So my trouble though is that this couch is too big any way you hold it to get through his doorway. So let's go take a look at what I've got to do to his doorway to make this fit in. So the problem is that this doorway is only 29 inches wide, even if I take the door off, and that couch needs at least 32 inches. So I'm going to have to take the door frame all the way off, take the trim off, and then I'll have my rough opening of 32.5 inches, and I'll be able to get that couch in there. So that's what I'm going to start doing. Well, that completes step 1 of this process of getting my workshop ready downstairs. We've got the door jamb all taken off now. This room is ready to clean out and get that couch upstairs. So if you want to follow this series, be sure to subscribe and like this video, and we will see you next time.